Hi, this is Deborah Harris and I'm bringing to you a cash flow tip about price. Price helps you work out how much revenue is coming into your business. How many things you sell times the price that you sell them for is what determines how much revenue is coming into your business. And that's the top number that you need to know, because after that, everything that comes out and the timing of it is all impacted. So your cash flow is mainly impacted by your price and the volume that you sell. So here's my cash flow tip of the day for you, and that is to give bonuses before you give discounts. Now, it's very tempting to say, I'll offer a 10% discount on this particular thing today, and you may have customers all lining up to do that. But say you have a slow moving product, or say you have something else that you want them to test or to sample and sign up for. If you can give them a bonus where they have a taster session as part of the bonus, then they're getting an example of how that may look in the suite of products that they're purchasing from you, or the suite of services that they're purchasing from you. So think about how you might be able to give a bonus rather than giving a discount off the price, that you give a bonus so that they can see that there's more value being added for that price. An example of this might be, say you have a natural health clinic and you have a whole range of teas, and you're having problems that you're not getting much traction in sale of your tea. So you could actually, as people come through the door, offer them a cup of tea, or you could give them a tea bag to take home. There's a whole range of things that you can do in that situation that gives them a bonus for coming through the door. So give them a bonus for coming through the door before you give them a discount for buying your product. Because if you're thinking about discounts, then you're thinking, what can I get cheap next time? This has been a pricing tip. It's a cash flow lever tip on price.